Now I told you something called as if else conditions. So what we do is if some condition, take if some condition, and I can write statements here, and else I can write statements here. ठीक है. So this condition is true whenever we have a number. This condition is false whenever we have 0 or null, and it is true otherwise. ये जो condition है ये true होती है सभी cases में. If we have 0 or null, then it is false, otherwise it is true. ठीक है. Now you can look at it here this way. I have taken integer a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 7. So if I take printf %d %d %d, and in this case I am doing a is less than b, a greater than b, and a double equal to b. ठीक है. Can you tell me the output of this simple statement? हमारे पास वेरिएबल a है which is having a value 5, we have a variable b which is having a value 6, and I'm trying to print the value of a less than b, a greater than b, or a equals to b, a double equal to b. Can you tell me the output of this statement? So if you execute this program, so you can see the output is 100. ठीक है. Why? Because a is less than b, right? 5 is less than 6, that is true. ठीक है. a is greater than b, 5 is not greater than b, that is false, and a is not equal to b, which is also 0. Correct. So that means in these cases when you are using these conditional statements, then they are having an output which is in either in 0 or it is in 1. इसका जो output होगा वो 0 और 1 की terms में ही होगा. So it means in the if else condition, if I say if, correct, in the if else condition, whenever I give this condition here, so condition takes an integer value. I can give a value as 1, or I can also give a value as 0. I can give a value as 0. So if I am giving a value as 1, that means it is true. If I am giving a value as 0, that means it is false. ठीक है. So if I am doing something like this, if a is less than b, then printf. Now tell me which of these values will be printed. We have hi, hello, yoo-hoo, yes, and I can also have if I can give a value which is 0, then it is printf no, and I can also give a value which is if, and it is 0 like this, and we have printf yes. What will be the output of this program? तो यहाँ पर output क्या होगा? I told you that whenever we have these kind of conditions, which is if else condition, in this case, if I am giving a value 0 or if I am giving a value null, that means it is false and it is true otherwise. So this hi will be printed, this hello will be printed, this yoo-hoo will be printed, yes will be printed, no will not be printed. Why? Because we are giving a value 0 here, and this yes will also be printed. ये भी value यहाँ पर print होगी. Why? Because we are giving a character 0. So this 0 is in quotations, right? Single quotes. That means it is a character. So here I'm passing a character. Here I'm passing a value which is a null value or 0. So if I'm printing these values, if I execute this program, अगर मैं इसको execute करूँगा, you will see the output will be hi, hello, yoo-hoo, yes and yes. But no will not be printed. यहाँ से no print नहीं होगा, but all the other values will be printed. ठीक है. Why? Because no in this case we have if 0. 0 means false. ठीक है. If you have anything other than 0 or null, then it is true. Even if I try to do something like this, if I pass null, printf yes something, ठीक है, still this will not be printed. Why? Because null means it is false. So null का मतलब है कि ये false है. ठीक है. If I execute this program again, So you can see this null is, if null means false, तो null का मतलब है false and 0 means false, otherwise everything else will be printed in this case. So in a if else condition, if you do if condition, correct, now in this case if this condition is 0 or it is null, that means it is false, otherwise it is true. Even if you are passing 0 in single quotations, minus 86, plus 86, anything value which is a capital A as a character, if you are passing any of these values, still it is true, otherwise it is false. Okay, clear? Now let me do some changes here in the if else condition. Let me do some changes, that we have a capital A here and we have a A here like this. So what will be the output in this case? इस केस में output क्या होगा? So this is not printed at all. ये print नहीं होगा. Why? Because here this capital A, it is going to assume that this capital A is a variable. ये assume करेगा कि जो capital A है वो एक variable है, but you can see there is no variable defined as capital A. यहाँ पर कोई भी capital A कोई variable defined नहीं है. So this will give an error in the program by saying the symbol capital A cannot be determined. Symbol capital A को हम नहीं बता सकते symbol capital A क्या है. So if you execute this statement, compile and run, you can see again this is an error. So यहाँ पर what is the statement here? You can read it is A undeclared, first use in this function. तो हमारे पास एक वेरिएबल A है जो कि undeclared है and we have used this variable for the first time in this function, and because it is undeclared, hence it is an error. तो ये क्या होगा, आपके पास एक error होगा. Now in the previous examples जो हमने किया था, we have seen some examples in the previous case also. I told you if I have an integer variable, I can take integer A and let us suppose integer A is equal to 0, ठीक है, and I am doing integer B is equal to, this is bitwise not of A, and if I am printing the value printf %d comma A comma B. Can you tell me what is the output of this statement? इस statement का output क्या होगा? So if you execute, there is no errors. If you execute this program, so you can see the output is 0 and -1. तो यहाँ पर जो output आया वो आया 0 और -1, ठीक है. How you are getting the output as 0 and -1? How this A will be stored? Let me explain you with the help of two variables. I mean, if I assume that integer is of 2 bytes, in that case this A will be stored like this, all zeros, right, and this variable B will be stored as all ones, because ये जो value है this is a bitwise not, ये आपके पास bitwise not है, so that means all these bits will become 1, ठीक है, and this is basically 2's complement of 1. ये 2's complement है 1 का. That is why the value of B is -1 and the value of A is 0. A की value 0 है और B की value -1 है. It represents a bitwise not. ठीक है. If I change this value as this, अगर मैं इस value कुछ इस तरीके से change करता हूँ, what will be the value output in this case? Instead of bitwise not, I changed it to logical not. So if you execute this program here, if you compile and run, you can see A is 0 and B is 1. A जो है वो 0 है और B है यहाँ पर 1, because I changed this 0 to logical not. Okay. Now if I do something like this, that I change integer C is equal to bitwise not of B. C की जो value है वो B का bitwise not है. So if I take C is equal to %d and if I try to print the value of C, now what will be the value of C? C की क्या value print होगी? So if this A is all zeros, B will be 1. So 1 will be stored something like this: 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. and when you do bitwise not of b, so that means it will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0, which is representing a value which is -2. तो ये -2 को represent कर रहा है in 2's complement format. So if I execute this function, so if you compile and run, you will find that the output is -2. तो यहाँ से जो output होगा वो -2 होगा. Clear?